Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to backup all repositories in SVN server. Open SVN server. Open repositories. Right-click, Repositories database. Click Backup repository. Browse the backup directory. Click Save. Click Backup. Backup completed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.